Welcome to the online video lecture series on digital signal processing. In the last session, we had DAT FFT as well as DAF FFT. Yes, we discussed both. And if I ask you, x of n is equal to 2, 2, 2, 2. Just 4 point, okay, just for a small recap. Find DFT using DAT FFT or even DAF FFT, okay, whatever. If it is 4 point, I am going to draw 4 parallel lines, but before that, you know it is DC, very long back we discussed, it is DC, so now itself I can guess there is no AC component, so other terms are 0. The first DC term will be addition of all is nothing but 8, okay. So whenever you start the problem, don't be in hurry in doing the problem. Say for example, if it is 4 point, carefully, relaxed way, let us draw 4 points. Remember, I gave one tips. DAT, whenever I ask you DAT, start from 2 point. Please remember. T stands for time, but you remember it is 2 point, just one simplicity. If it is DAT starts from 2 point, if it is DAF end at 2 point. That knowledge you should have, please do remember, because in this session I am going to start IDFT, then it should not confuse you everything. That is what. Then I would like to have a 4 point diagram. So here it should be reverse 4 point. And it will be 1 minus j, and this will be 1 minus j. This 1, 1, 1 not required. And since the question is find DFT, input should be x of n, output should be x of k. Input should be x of n, output should be x of k. The first tips what I gave is DAT means start at 2 point, DAF means end at 2 point. Second tips what I gave, can you remember? Where I should decimate. Where you are having 2 point butterfly, there only it should be decimated. Please remember. So this side, this will be decimated. Okay. Which means this side it will be direct. This side it will be direct. Okay. So please remember. What is decimated? X of 0, x of 2, x of 1, x of 3. Am I right? This side what is decimated? Capital X of 0, capital X of 2, capital X of 1 and capital X of 3. This side direct, am I right? X of 0, X of 1, 2x of 3. Okay, this is capital X of 0, capital X of 1, capital X of 2, capital X of 3. Okay, so I am going to do 2 problems at the same time. Let us start the problem. DAT means start at 2 point, DAF means end at 2 point. Where you are having 2 point butterfly, there only you should do decimation. Okay, this is the basic. So this should be decimated, but since the problem is 2, 2, so it doesn't matter. Otherwise, you should rearrange accordingly. Okay. So here also it should be direct, so I can say 2. Now recall 2 plus 2, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. Just 2 values in the butterfly. This is addition, this is subtraction. A plus B, A minus B. That's all. Okay. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. On the way, any number comes, multiply. 4, 0, 4. 4 into 1, 4, 0. 4 plus 4, 8. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Same thing I am going to continue. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. On the way, just multiply. 4, 4, 0, 0. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 minus 0. So this is direct answer. So x of k equal to 8, 0, 0, 0. This is decimated answer, but no issues. 0 location, 1 location, anyhow it is 0, 8. 1 location is 0, 2 location is 0, and 3 location is 0, you got the answer. So remember, both the problem is DFT, both the problem answer must be same. So there is no trouble there. So the diagram may be different. Okay, kindly make a note of this. Let me start IDFT using FFT algorithm. So before doing IDFT, first try to learn what is the basic difference between DFT and IDFT. Okay. So what is the DFT formula available? What is the IDFT formula available? So in DFT formula, input is x of n, output is x of k. In IDFT formula, reverse. Am I right? Input is x of k, output is x of n. Am I right? The diagram has to be reverse. That's the major idea. So you give x of n here, x of k here. There, reverse. First major issue. Reverse. Okay, that is opposite to each other. Input become output, output become input. First major point. Second major point, your total factor 1 minus j, 1 by root 2 minus j, am I right? Minus j here, plus j here. It means complex conjugate. Second major point, your total factor must be complex conjugate. Third point, after doing the calculation, 1 by n is there at the end. Okay, so just to do the calculation, result is ready. Just to do the calculation, after that 1 by n, then only the result is ready. Okay, this is the 3 major points. Please remember. So let me recall. What are the first major points? Opposites. Am I right? Opposite, that is input and output will be interchange. Input becomes output, output become input. That is reverse the diagram. Opposite diagram. Number 2. What is the next I told? Conjugate. Am I right? Conjugate. Complex conjugate the total factor. Conjugate the total factor. That is the major issue. Number 3. 1 by n. Please remember, don't forget this particular statement. Okay, this is the idea behind DFT and IDFT differences. Okay, now let me give you one simple idea. X of n is equal to, let me give a small problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, find DFT using DAT FFT. Carefully listen. What I am going to do? Carefully listen. Sir, DFT means input is x of n, sir. Output is x of k, sir. No doubt. Since it is 4 point, let me start with 4 point. Yes. So DAT, which means starts at 2 point. So let me start here with 2 point. So then it should be 4 point. 1 minus j. Okay, remember I am doing DFT. Okay, remember I am doing DFT. Just now I did the same problem. DAT means start at 2 point. Where 2 point, that side only it should be decimated. Wherever you go, that should not change. Okay, decimated this side. What is the decimated? X of 0, x of 2, x of 1, x of 3. So this side it will be capital X of 0, capital X of 1, capital X of 2, capital X of 3, because this is direct. Okay, just to have a recap. I am having DFT, 4 point problem I made. DAT FFT, so I have to start with 2 point. Where 2 point, there I made a decimation. Okay, now let me start the problem. So what is the question? At 0 location 1. At 2 location, remember 0, 1, 2. At 2 location 3. At 1 location 2. At 3 location 4. Okay, what I should do? Come on. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 minus 3 minus 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Okay. On the way any number comes, multiply. So 4 minus 2, 6 into 1, 6, minus into minus plus 2. Now the last step, 4 plus 6, 10. Okay, 4 plus 6, 10. Minus 2 plus 2g. Minus 2 plus 2. Next. 4 minus 6 minus 2. Okay, 4 minus 6 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2g. Okay, this is the answer. So the answer, since it is direct, I can do it directly. X of k equal to 10 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Okay. So please do remember, this is the answer we are getting. Okay. It's well and good. Now, let me make this as the question. Okay. Let me make this as the question. X of k equal to 10 minus 2 plus 2j. Next. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j. Okay. So this is the question. Reason. IDFT. No. Time domain become frequency domain. In IDFT, frequency domain to time domain. Okay. So the question is find IDFT using DIT-FFT. Okay, carefully remember the problem entirely is going to be different. Okay, be careful with the calculations. Remember, my dear, you should not confuse. Okay, question is what? IDFT, which means input should be x of k, output should be x of n. How many points? It is 4 points. So no doubt, DFT means time to frequency. IDFT means frequency to time. I made it. This is also DIT diagram, that is also DIT diagram. You only guess. What is the first point? Opposite. Time and frequency. Frequency and time. Please remember, time to frequency, opposite. Frequency to time, which means the butterfly pattern has to be ulta. Hello, the butterfly pattern has to be ulta. What is that meaning? This should come front. That's the diagram. Sir, you have drawn DIFT diagram, but the question is DIT. Hello, this is inverse. IDFT, inverse. The inverse means ulta. DIT means I will draw DIF diagram. That knowledge you should have. Confusion irbar. Okay, you should not get the confusion. You should know what is that we are going to do. Make it clarity. Very simple idea. If A become B, B should become A. Input and output should interchange. So diagram of ulta. That's all. Okay, if you have a diagram like this, ulta it. Okay, if they have the diagram cap here, tail here, just ulta. That's all. This is the simplest concept. Okay, careful. What is the first point I told? Output, input and output should be interchanged, opposite. I made it. What is the second point? Conjugate the total factor. Carefully listen, my dear. 1j. That's all. Because here it is minus j, there it should be plus j. Where is decimated? One basic point I told. Where I am having 2-point butterfly, there only it should be decimated. Am I right? Decimated. And it's work out, you know, decimation in time. Time is decimated, it's work out. So this side it should be direct. Okay. So x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. This is x of 0, x of 2, x of 1 and x of 3. Okay, okay, what are the points I should remember? Input and output has to be interchanged. Frequency to time, so diagram is opposite. Conjugate the total factor, minus j become plus j. 1 by n at the end, because in the formula at the end, so it should be, 1 by 4 here. Why sir 4? Because it is 4 point, so 1 by 4. So everything is beautiful. The diagram is ready. No urgency in doing the problem. Sir, 2 plus 2 sir, 4 plus 3 sir. No urgency. If the diagram is perfect, 100% you will get the answer, no doubt. What is the answer I should get? The question to answer, then answer to question, you know. So if I give the same, what should be the answer you should get? Tell me. If I am doing this problem, what should be the answer I should get? Very good. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4. I should get that. Okay. Very simple idea. Beautifully you can get it. Okay. So come on, let me start. Recap. IDFT sir. Well and good. IDFT, carefully read. Inverse, inverse, ulta, inverse, inverse. What is that I made? DIT, inverse. Okay. Next. Opposite input output. So here it is input, there it is output, that is ulta. Okay, frequency to time. Conjugate the total factor, minus j become plus j. 1 by n, at the end it is 1 by 4. Decimation as usual, decimation in the 2-point butterfly place. Okay. Now come on, direct idea. 10 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j. Okay. So 10 minus 2, 8. Minus 2 minus plus 2j plus minus 2 minus 2j. If you add these two, 2j minus 2j cancel, answer minus 4. 10 minus minus plus, carefully listen, 10 minus or minus plus, 10 plus 2, 12. Next, these two terms I have to subtract, carefully listen sir. Minus 2 plus 2j, minus 2 plus 2j, minus, this minus, minus 2 minus 2j. Come on, what about real number? Minus 2, minus or minus, plus 2, cancel, real number will cancel, plus 2j, minus or minus, plus 2j, so answer should be 4j. Okay, so we made this particular calculation. Next, on the way any number comes, multiply. 8 minus 4, 12 into 1, 12, j into j, j square minus 1, so it is minus 4. Next, 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus or minus plus, so it is 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 12 minus or minus plus, so it should be 16. Okay, divide by 4, very good. 4 by 4, 1. 12 by 4, come on, 3. 8 by 4, 2. 16 by 4, 4. Hello, the answer is decimated, am I right? So what I should do? I should rewrite 0 location, 1. 1 location, 2 location, 3 location. Okay, beautiful. Yes, I did IDFT. No more new concept. Just if you are talent in the fundamental idea, that's what I always say. Especially in DSP, if you are strong in fundamental, just a numerical calculation. Okay, kindly make a note of that. With this, I would like to conclude this particular IDFT session, and the same IDFT I will do 8-point problem in the next session.